Hi moms and cute little babies, welcome to ICB. I'm your host SM. I'm going to show you how to assemble your nebulizer system which you can give to your baby when she is suffering from cough and cold. Please do not use this system unless and until it is prescribed by your pediatrician. So let's inside which I'm going to pour my liquid medicine. So this is my liquid medicine. So just open it. Then you can pour your liquid medicine inside this. And then you can close the cap properly. Like this. So it has liquid medicine inside. Then you can put your tube at the bottom of this device like this. Like this you can put on this mask like this, and then I'm going to insert this tubing inside this device. So your baby might be crying because of he's suffering from cough and cold. I'm now switching on my device, and you can see there is a steam. So you can give the steam to your baby like this. Initially, your baby might get excited because of its air, but that's okay. Later on, your baby start inhaling it. So this is how you can use this device. Hold your baby in upright position. Put your baby on your lap, and then only you can put the mask on baby's face. So this will help the baby to breathe properly or inhale the steam properly. Okay, so this is how you can use this device. I hope you like this video. So all the best and goodbye.